Alright, boys and girls, and welcome back to Gordon Guitar. So, we have a cool duet here with Cole Swindell and Lainey Wilson. And this song is called Never Say Never. So, a cool power song from these two. And we will start here with the capo set on the first fret. And we have 4 chords that will go round and round in the same order through the entire song. So that's great. So let's start first with the B minor. So that will be on the 2nd fret here. You'll bar all strings here from the 5th string and down. So from the A string and down. And the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. So that is the B minor. Next will be G. So 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Next is E minor, so open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. And the final chord will be A. So open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. So those 4 chords in that order through the entire song. So that's great. Now we have this melody here going on, and that will be played for the verses. And then we have one pretty basic strumming pattern that we will use for the chords. That is what we're gonna learn here for this tutorial. So this part is the melody part. It sounds like this. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the notes here for each chord, and then I'm gonna show you also a tip here for how to handle and make this in the best way. Some technical stuff there, pretty easy as well. But yeah, let's go through the notes first. It will be 2nd fret here on the A string, then 3rd fret on B string, 4th fret on G string, open E, and back to 3rd B. Okay, so you will see that this pattern goes through the first 3 chords, same pattern, just different bass notes. So you can use and have your grip like I do here. My index finger on the 2nd fret A string, and then my middle finger on the 3rd fret B, and ring finger here on the 4th fret G. That is the easiest grip to have for this melody here. So just repeat: 2nd A, 3rd B, 4th G, open E, and 3rd B. Okay, that's the B minor part. For the G part, what you do there, you just move your index finger here to the 3rd fret of E string in the bass. So the rest will be the same here with the melodies here. The only difference here is the bass note here. So you're gonna start with the 3rd fret E string, and the rest will be the same: 3rd B, 4th G, open E, and 3rd B. And that's the G part. Now the E minor part, same case there. You just have another bass, and that will be the open E string now. Open E, and the rest will be the same: 3rd B, 4th G, open E, and 3rd B. And the final chord here is where we change a little bit. This is the A. What I do here, the easiest way of playing this one is just to bar the 2nd fret here from the D string and down. So that's much easier to handle this A than to really have it with all your 3 fingers here. So just bar the 2nd fret here from the D string and down, and you will play open A, 2nd G, 2nd D, 2nd B, and then you add 3rd B. What I do there, I add my 3rd B with my middle finger here. Okay, and the reason for that is to when we go to the next round here, I have it prepared on the right place with my middle finger here. So to B minor, I just adjust my fingers and still keeping this one on the 3rd fret B string. So that's the reason. If you do it with this A chord here with all your fingers, then you have your ring finger here and perhaps you slide up to the 3rd fret here, but then you have your ring finger and you have to incorporate other fingers here to have the next grip, or you just have to recuperate your fingers and take a new grip like this. So much easier to just bar the 2nd fret here, add the 3rd fret B string from the A here, and then you have it prepared for the next round with the B minor here. All right, so that's the reason why. So yeah, that was the melody here. I'm gonna play through for you very slow here so you can listen and be able to follow perhaps. So let's go. Yeah, so that was the intro melody here. You will play that for 2 rounds, and that is the intro. Then starts the actual verse here, I Told My Mama. And yeah, you will continue to play this melody for 4 rounds, and that is the first verse. Pretty basic there, okay? So let's go on here to the next part, and that will be the chorus. For this chorus, we need to learn a strumming pattern. It will be based on the same chord progression here, B minor, G, E minor, and A. You will play a strumming pattern. Let's grab this B minor. Okay, when you have this grip, then you will play down, down, up, clap, up, down, up. Okay, so I'm gonna demonstrate how it sounds, and then we're gonna go through it. Okay, let's go. Okay, so it's in that tempo here. So what we did there was down, down, up, clap, up, down, up. That is one strumming round, okay? So down, down, up, clap, up, down, up. Down, down, up, clap, up, down, up. Okay. So you're gonna play one strumming round for each chord there, okay? And that is one chord progression. So let's see how it sounds. B minor, G, E minor, and A. Yeah, so that is one round. Okay, so you're gonna do 2 rounds of this for the chorus with this strumming. And then for the 3rd and final round, since this is about 3 rounds of this chord progression for this chorus, on this 3rd round, you're just gonna play down, clap for each chord. So that will be B minor, clap, okay? G, clap, E minor, clap, A, clap, okay? So together, all in all, this chorus will sound like this. I'm gonna play it for you, so let's go. Second round. All right, so that was the chorus and how it's done. And after this chorus comes an instrumental play there, and that will be 1 round of the melody. So okay, and then starts the next verse. And this next verse will be the same there, the melody, but only 2 rounds this time, not 4 rounds like we had in the first verse. So one instrumental part with the melody, and then for another 2 rounds for the verse, the melody here. So 3 rounds in a row, you're gonna play this melody, and then comes the next chorus part. And in the lyrics, we're of course never say never with you, I end up together with you. So that's where we are, second chorus. You will play the strumming there for 2 rounds. The big strumming, the down, down, up, clap, up, down, up. 2 rounds of that. And yeah, and then you're gonna play one round of the down clap. So the same as we learned in the first chorus there. But into this chorus, it's built in and solo part. You're all that I want. I never say never with you. So we are still in the chorus, or you can say chorus / solo. So we're not gonna cover the solo, but it will be for 2 rounds of the strumming. So 2 rounds of the down, down, up, clap, up, down, up. Still the same chords, of course. So this chorus was, to repeat everything, same as the first one, but with an added solo there. So another 2 rounds of strumming, right? Then after this chorus comes another chorus again, so it's prolonged there. But this starts with 1 round of the chords, but just 1 down for each chord. So just B minor, G, E minor, and A. Okay? So it starts with 1 down for each chord for 1 round. Then again, you're gonna play a full chorus part, you can say. 2 rounds of the strumming, down, down, up, like 2 rounds of this. And then for a second round, and then comes the down clap only for 1 round. Alright. And then we are in the lyrics, we have covered until we sing Baby Come On, I Never Say Never with You, okay? So that's where we are in the lyrics in this chorus here. And then the song ends with 2 rounds of the melody here. And that is pretty much the chorus part. And then we have kind of an outro or an outro part. I told my mama, I told my friends, when it comes to her, when it comes to him, never again. And this part is for only 1 round of this melody. So just to repeat everything here from the second chorus, we had 1 round of each chord here, just 1 down, for each chord. And then starts the strumming here, 2 rounds of the big strumming and then 1 round of the down clap. And then it ends in total here 3 rounds of the melody. And that is how Cole Swindell and Lainey Wilson end their song Never Say Never. So yeah, could be a bit challenging here with this melody going on here, but if you just practice this pattern here with your right hand, how to pick the strings there, it's pretty much the same through the entire melody here. So not that hard, I believe. Good luck with this one and see you soon. Don't forget to play tuned.